Is she coming or is she going? No, she's just saving. Hello, goodbye girl.
Hi everyone, it's Judy Pielach, the Goodbye Girl. You know, February is the month of love, and there are so many ways you can show your love. One of my favorites, through the use of food. You know what they say, the quickest way to someone's heart is through their stomach. Now, Goodwill has so many small appliances that can help you show your love in the kitchen. Let's get started. A great way to show your family some love is first thing in the morning. You can start with a fabulous, nutritious, healthy smoothie. Now, all you need for that is a blender, which you can of course find at Goodwill, or even a smoothie maker. This is actually both, or one of those little choppers will even work. Now, so simple. Here's what I do. I get some berries and I usually freeze them just for this occasion. A little bit of pineapple, one banana, and then some orange juice or even a little bit of honey to sweeten it up a bit. That is delicious. You know what else is delicious? Adult drinks. I wouldn't recommend them for the morning, but in the evening when you want to have a little blended something, I love White Russians blended. A little bit of coffee liqueur, a little bit of vodka, some ice, a little bit of half and half, blend it up. It's delicious. But getting back to morning, great breakfast always starts with some waffles. Look at this awesome little guy. I got it at Goodwill for an awesome little price of $4.99. If your idea of love is a romantic dinner with your significant other, but you really don't want to fight those crowds on Valentine's Day, not to mention the exorbitant cost of going to a restaurant, no worries. Can you say fondue? Now, not everyone has a fondue set at their house. That's because you only use it once or twice a year. And they can be pretty expensive. Why go to a store and buy one when you can go to your favorite store, Goodwill, and pick up, check this out, a brand new fondue set for $5. And you know the great thing about a fondue set? You can have a 3-course meal. Start with your appetizer, maybe some melted cheese, dip a little bread in there or vegetables, then move on to your main course. You can use cooking oil or broth, and you can make chicken, beef, whatever you'd like. Then it's the dessert round, melted chocolate. Oh, you can dip, of course, any kind of fruit in there, maybe some marshmallows, even some bacon. If it's a gift you're looking for, go to Goodwill, find a big bowl, put some popcorn in it, cover it with cellophane, put a cute little ribbon on it. Voila! You could even use a heart-shaped plate or another heart-shaped bowl, put some candy in it or even brownies. Same concept, cover it with cellophane with a bow. It's an awesome gift. Oops, and don't forget the card. Yeah, they have those at Goodwill too. Hey, if your idea of love is loving yourself and kicking back and maybe having some popcorn, watching a movie, I'm down with that. Look at this great popcorn maker I got at Goodwill. And you know what? They have literally thousands of movies. So I have taken the liberty of making my popcorn already, gotten into my comfy clothes here, and I'm about to watch a movie. Now, you know I love buttered popcorn, but even better, putting some sweet sprinkles on top of it. All right, gang, I'm in for the night. I'm Judy Pielach, the Goodbye Girl. Until next time.